welcome to
MUNDUK Moding Plantation.
Olé. Hello guys and welcome to Munduk. We are roughly 3 hours north from the Bali airport. And this is MUNDUK Moding Plantation. We're going to show you our villa. This is the 1-bedroom villa. All right. So welcome to the 1-bedroom villa. This is the garden suite, 1-bedroom pool villa, 2-bedroom pool villa, and 5 bedrooms pool villa. And this is our favorite part of the hotel. And the hotel has also its own coffee plantation. Alright guys, so 3 reasons why we recommend this hotel. The reason number 1, look at this. If you like the nature, Munduk is the right place to be. And MUNDUK Moding Plantation is definitely one of the best accommodations to stay. From where you can experience waterfalls, trekking in the jungle, or simply stay at the hotel and relax. Reason number 2. If you want to experience a bit of cold in the north of Bali, here we are at the altitude of 1,200 meters and spending a couple of days with this cool climate. The reason number 3, the views are spectacular and the 2 infinity pools are definitely something you will not miss. If you like this video, please remember to smash the like button and subscribe if you wanna see more videos like this one. See you at the next video.